It's the end of December. It's 62 degrees. I just got these Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They have these cool cameras in the corners of them. You guys have been asking for point of view videos, so I'm gonna give the people what they want and take the C6 to the gym. All right, here we go. What's the over-under on this thing starting? First try. And secondly, the neighbor's not coming out and bitching for the sound. Let's go. You Catless guys know you have to keep this recirc on and the windows up at all times. Cars are too much fun for the money. This may come as a surprise, but it looks like I need to get gas. Fuel economy is killer. Backing up with 5% tint. Insert that. Can't see shit out of this thing, mean. Pray for my front splitter. Nice Blackwing. Oh boy. We made it in one piece. Didn't rip my front splitter off. Today was a good day. I think this is my 5th front splitter. Just doing Prius things. Alright, I got the edge. Bank's kicking in. Put on some Gideon. I'll see you guys later. That never gets old. These glasses are pretty cool. The video quality seems pretty legit. Just kind of playing around with them today. I figured it was a nice day. I'd take the car out and give you guys some point of view. I definitely want to do a couple draggy pulls. I have a draggy at home. I haven't really messed around with it yet. It's kind of tough to, you know, get a good pull either, you know, the middle of the night and get the camera to stay on the windshield and find a spot where there's no cops and traffic and car doesn't spin. You know, it's like I have to get the planets to align, but I'm gonna go out and mess around with that and do some videos for you guys as well. I don't really know what the car should do. I mean, if I could be in the 6s, I'd be happy. The goal this year, if I do flex and manifold and clutch, I'd love to get into the 5s, which seems very doable with some of the setups I'm seeing out there now. Oh God, it's an Altima. Everybody run for your lives. Oh, guys, we made it. We're safe. Big Altima energy has moved on. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little point of view driving. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see anything else. I'd like to try to put out more content. I'm going to do the exhaust soon for you guys and do some comparisons and hopefully some draggy pulls and other fun stuff. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.